Assalamu alaikum, what is up, and welcome in this another video. I hope you're finding it cool and having chill. So guys, if you guys are new here, so please subscribe to this channel right now for getting my more tutorials about Turban, and turn on your bell icon for getting the notification of my next tutorial. And guys, I'm on Instagram. If you guys have not followed me on Instagram, so my Instagram is in the description. You guys can follow me, and it's coming here right now. You guys can see the name. And in this beautiful tutorial, I'm going to show you a beautiful style of tying Indonesian turban, okay? That Indonesian people tie. It's their culture, okay? So let's see how can you tie this beautiful Indonesian turban and add somehow change in it, okay? So you guys will enjoy this video. So let's see how can you tie this. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have, then give a big thumbs up and leave your beautiful comments below, and Allah Hafiz till my next tutorial.